Hello, my name is Olga Cruz and it is my Panama bilingual experience. Coming here to United States with Panama bilingual program and specifically staying here at American University in Washington, D.C. has been a wonderful experience. Every single event has taught me something. Through the classes, I learned about every new English skill to improve my students and my own knowledge. My teachers, Rebecca and Brian, are the best. Topics like follow our chart and chant were totally new and interesting to me. Besides getting class, I visited several places, such as National Museum of American History, National Zoological Park, National Air and Space Museum, National Park, and the Kennedy Center. Also, I visited two schools, Lab and Dunbar, for class observation. What I saw in those schools was totally opposite. There, in both, I tried to catch all useful things for applying at my school with my students. Finally, the place I most enjoyed to visit was National Museum of the American Indian. It impressed me from the very beginning because its building is amazing. Also, each exhibition I could see there, it has great news. It houses one of the world's largest and most diverse collections of its kind. This museum has exhibitions, galleries, and spaces for research, education, and performance. I saw two beautiful presentations of individuals from different American countries. They were great. I loved it.